Oh, oh, hi. Oh, I didn't realize I was recording. This is just so good. This is called Cadbury Mini Rolls. Not too sweet, super creamy. England has the best food no matter what anybody says. So good. Mmm. Oh, man. Oh, that's so good. Man, I just love the food here. I'm sorry. So, we were at my wife's brother's house. We're learning math right now, 8.2. There's no one better than being in England. Whoa, especially when it's sunny. So there's a little backyard right here. So what's going on? Got these amazing fields and countryside. Super amazing. Yeah. So we're helping you right now on 8.2, which is triangles and angles is what we're doing, right? And so just had to show you a little bit there. And then we're going to help you finish off 8.2. Might take one more video actually. Get to explain very well what's going on. See if we can plug in here too. Make sure we don't run out of battery. Alright. So 8.2, we're learning about supplementary angles as well as complementary angles. Supplementary angles as to 180. Supplementary is 180, sorry. Complementary is 90. Cool. So obtuse was number 7. Given two parallel lines cut by a transversal, find x and y. And so again, you just want to add those two together to equal 180 because they're on a straight line. But then it turns out that these two angles right here can also be added together and equal 180. So there's your hint there for number 8. So number 9, you just set them equal to each other. Wayo. Because their vertical angles are congruent. So hope you're doing good there. If I'm teaching you, then fantastic. You're just learning more at home with me. If Mr. Ramsar is there, then that's even awesomer because he's an amazing substitute. So thanks for learning with him as well as me. There we go. Okay, so again, we're doing 2, supposed to be an x there. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 4x minus 43. And so the reason why we're setting them equal to each other is because those two angles are equal to each other. So this angle and this angle are equal to each other because vertical angles are congruent. Sorry, it's really hard to write with the mouse. It's easier on my smartboard, right? So vertical angles are congruent. Vertical angles are congruent. Cool. So then we're just going to go ahead and minus 2x over to this side. So 4x minus 2x is 2x. And then on this side, we're going to add 43. Add 43. Make sure the video is actually going right now. Is it going? It's going. Yeah. Okay, so then we'll add 43 over to this side, and we get 44. Because 43 plus 1 is 44 divided by 2. So you should be getting x equals 22. Right? For number 9. Pause me. Remember, try each one on your own. You behind the screen. Pause me. You know. So keep trying each one of these on your own, trying to figure these out. There we go. Okay, jumping around here. Let's see. So in a plane, the distinct lines E, F, and J, K intersect each other. Hello. Hi. So they intersect each other. And at E. Okay. So we have E, F, and J, K. And so let's say that's EF, for example. I already made these videos in my classroom, but then I forgot them. What? Okay, so in a plane, the distinct lines EF and JK intersect at E, where E is between J and K. Okay, well, let's just say that this is E, right? This is E and F, or maybe it's down here, maybe. So we'll say this is E, and this is F down here. And so the distinct lines EF and JK intersect at E, where E is between J and K. So we can just draw another line like this. There we go. These are lines that go on forever. And so we have a J and K. They intersect at E. The measure of FEJ is 62 degrees. So let's try to find FEJ. So if we use a different color, don't know how to do that. I don't really see different colors. Just carry on with blue, I guess. Well, where's my colors? I like different colors. I don't know. Could highlight stuff. I don't know. Oh, there it is. Boom. Okay, so we have a F, E, J, they say, is 62 degrees. Awesome. So what is the measure of FEK? And so this is FEK. And so they want to know what that angle is right there. Well, we have 62 degrees and then we have a straight line. And since we have a straight line and that's 180 degrees is a straight line, we can go ahead and take 180 and we can minus 62. And so when we do that, we get 118. Is that what you got? Did you pause me first? You're just checking your answers? I hope so. Be trying on your own. So 118 degrees is what's going on there. Nice. And sorry that I'm not doing very good with my mouse, but I'm trying super duper hard to do this. So 118 degrees. Good. So you try 12 now. You try 12. You try number 12. You try the evens. I'm helping you on the odds. Good. Draw the picture. Cool. So in triangle XYZ, the sum of measures of X and Y is 55 degrees. What is Z? So that's interesting. That's actually very easy. And I think I should just let you try that one on your own. Because they say that X and Y together is 55 degrees. So that's actually really small. Yeah. So Z must be obtuse, really. So really, we drew that picture wrong. Should be like that, where Z is really big. But anyways. Okay, so those two together are 55 degrees. What is the measure of angle Z? Well, the whole thing needs to be 180 degrees. And so 180 minus 55. Pause me, try it on your own. Use your calculator. Okay, so that should just be 125 degrees is what angle Z is equal to, right? That was a quick, easy one. Nice. So that's what angle Z is equal to. Okay, figure ABC below, BC is congruent to BA. So that's going to be an isosceles triangle. What is measure of angle A? So the only way you can find measure of angle A is if you find C as well. And so if the sides are the same, the angles are the same. And so that's going to be X plus 52, right? Plus 52 is equal to 180 degrees. So you're going to minus 52, add those two together, so you get 2x, minus 52 the other side, and then divide by 2. And that'll give you what angle A is. Woo! Next page. Okay, so for 15, there's something you need to know, and that something you need to know is Mr. Kipling's. Whoa! Cherry bagel tarts. Super good. So that's not the thing you need to know. So the thing you need to know is that all the exterior angles should add up to 360. So that's super, super important. I wonder if it's going to let me type that. That'd be cool. Let's try it. Yeah. Okay, so all exterior angles always add up to 360 degrees. Always. 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 So that's important to know, that they add up to 360 degrees. Exterior angles always sum to 360. So exterior angles always sum or add to 360 degrees. Remember it? Cool. Cool. Yep, so if they're asking you what A, B, and C are, they should add up to 360 degrees. You don't even have to worry about the other angles. I mean, we could prove it. We could, if you really want us to, we could. So 50 and 77, when you add those together, 70 and 50 is 120, so 127. And so if we go 180 minus, let's do minus 77 first, because that'll give us, what, 103? And then 103 minus 50 is basically 53. So that means this angle is 53. And then if we do 180 minus each of those, so like for example, 180 minus 77, again is 103, so this would be 103. 180 minus 53, that's a big number. Is that like 127? And then 180 minus 50 would be 130. And if you add all three of those together, so 130 plus 103 plus 107. And something missing here. Let me see. Is that 103? 120? Oh, 127. Whoops. So that's supposed to be 127. That's 127. Anyway, so they all add up to 360. And so the sum of A, B, and C should be 360 degrees as their answer. And then you use that in other problems too. Cool. So try number 16 next. That one's not too bad because we know if that's 55 degrees, this is 55 degrees. Because vertical angles are congruent. And then we could do 180 minus to get the ones that we need. HIP. Hip. So HIP. Right? Yeah. And so basically, if it can be determined, what is the measure of HIP? And so HIP is down here. And so you'll just do 180. Whoops. Minus 55, minus 47. Okay, next one. Nice. Sorry, it's really hard to write with the mouse. Trying our best. Okay, so let's see here. Main Street and State Street parallel to each other. Good. Fillmore Street. Good. 82 degrees. Southwest corner. So never eat shredded wheat. Never eat shredded wheat. Never eat shredded wheat. Cool. So what is the measure of the angle formed at the northwest corner of Main Street and Fillmore? So that'd be the northwest corner. So that'd be up here. So that's supposed to be a question mark I just drew. So basically, what's that angle up there? The northwest corner. Okay. So we have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. And so if these two angles are equal to 180, that means that these two angles are equal to 180. Right? Different color to show it. Different color to show it. Cool. Yeah. So those two should equal 180 degrees. Okay, so that's just going to be 180 minus, wow, can I do that? Yep. So 180 minus 82. 180 minus 80 is 100, so 98. So this problem is actually super duper easy. So that angle up there should be obtuse, and it should be 98 degrees down there. That's confusing with that problem, so don't do that, Newbold. Okay, we'll just get our eraser out. Good enough. Okay, so that one should be, yep, 98 degrees right here. Cool. Okay, calculate the measure of each lettered angle. Ooh. So this is trying to find measure of angle X. Interesting. So important to know is what? That all these angles add up to 3. No, it's exterior angles. Add up to 360. Okay. Calculate the measure of each lettered angle. So this looks like it's going to be an isosceles triangle, first of all. Good. It's good to know. And then whatever angles those are. So I'm thinking that's 360 divided by 5, really. Let's see. So they should equal 540. Okay. Because it's 5 sides. So 5 sides minus 2. So that's times 180. So that's 3 times 180 is 540. And then we're going to divide that by 5. And so each angle together, I mean, it doesn't say that each side is the same, but we're guessing that they are, at least. I don't know, it's kind of not the best problem, but we'll go with it. So we get 108, because 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 48 times. So that's going to be, so 108. And so if each one of these is 108 degrees, then we can figure out what those little angles are. And so if we take 180 and we minus 108, we get what, 78? No, 72. And so this guy's 72, and this guy's 72. And so those together, so 72 plus 72 is 144. And now if we do 180 minus those two, we should get our answer there. So what is 180 minus 44 is the question. Nice. So 180 minus those two angles gives angle X. So is that 36? So 36 degrees. Boom. So that's what X equals. Number 19 again. These need to add up. The exterior angle should add up to 360. And so if that's 120, let's see, a straight line, that would be an exterior angle of 60 degrees. And so you have an exterior angle there, and even there. I'm not sure about that one. That's kind of a weird one. Okay, so we have 60, 85, so it's 42. 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So we have 60 and we have 85. Good. And then we're looking at, I guess you could say that this is also, if you draw this line straight across, that's still 60. Going all the way across, that's fine. Okay, so let's see this little angle then. If that's 150, this should be 30. So we want to add them all up to equal 360 basically. So we have 360 degrees is the measure of all the exterior angles. And now we're just going to minus each one of those. So minus 42, minus 60, minus 85, minus 30, minus 60 again. So all those minused off from 30 degrees should give us, whatever's left over should give us the measure of angle y. There we go. So we're going to minus all those. So is it 277? Yeah. So it's basically 360 minus 277 if you add all those up, basically. So 360 minus 277, which gives us 83 degrees. So y should equal 83 degrees. Nice. Okay, how are we doing on time? Whoa, already over. Okay, so let's see here. So probably just one more video to help us out. So see you in a second. Thanks for watching. See you in a second. Bye for now. Bye for now. Don't forget to eat something good and tasty, like a mini roll. Whoa, with cream in the center.